What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Joey, also known as Ghost Greeks, and this is the Daily Compounding Portfolio Series, where we invest every single day, build real long-term wealth, and document the full journey from the ground up. Here's a quick disclaimer before we jump in. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Always do your own research before investing, guys. All right, with that out of the way, let's get into today's update because today is a pretty good one. So today we added $200 into the account, and I want to talk about why this matters. A lot of people think investing is about hitting home runs. They think it's about finding the next Tesla, the next Nvidia, the next 10x stock. But this series is a little different. This is about doing something much more powerful. We're using consistency, time, compounding, dividends, and building a snowball that grows on its own. And that's exactly what we're doing here. Today's $200 deposit might not look like much, but when you repeat that mindset over weeks, months, years, it can become something massive. What we bought today, we invested the full $200 into one ticker symbol, BND. That's the ticker symbol, Vanguard Total Bond Market. Now, this is not some flashy growth stock. This is not a meme stock. This is not a YOLO options play. This is something different. This is a foundational compounding asset, and I want to explain exactly why we're adding it. What is BND? So BND is basically a bond ETF, meaning instead of owning one bond, you own a basket of thousands of bonds. It's designed to give you stability, fixed income, monthly dividend payments, protection when it gets volatile. So BND holds U.S. government bonds, corporate bonds, mortgage-backed securities. It's basically the steady engine of a portfolio. And here's why that matters. While growth stocks can explode upward, they can also crash hard. But bonds historically provide a smoother ride and consistent income. So BND is one of the best ways to start building that foundation. The dividend, roughly about 25 cents. It's a little bit less per month. Now here's the exciting part. BND pays a dividend of about, I think it's 0.2475 per share per month. That means just by holding this, we start building income automatically. Even if it seems small right now, this is how compounding begins. Let me put it into perspective. Today it's 25 cents. Tomorrow maybe it becomes $1, then 10, maybe even 100 one day. Eventually, thousands per month. That's the goal for the portfolio, to build a portfolio where the dividends eventually pay for everything, your bills, your freedom, your life. And it all starts with small steps like today. So we're going to talk a little bit about the snowball effect. This is literally the snowball strategy. Every deposit is another layer of snow that the snowball is picking up. So every dividend is more fuel for the snowball. And eventually the portfolio starts growing on its own. That's why I call this series the Daily Compounding Portfolio Series. Because one day the account grows faster from compounding than it does from our deposit. That's when wealth becomes unstoppable. Most people quit before the snowball gets rolling. We're not quitting. We're building it daily. Now, some people might ask, why buy bonds when stocks grow faster? And that's a great question. Here's the answer. Because real portfolios need balance. We're building something that survives bear markets, rate cycles, recessions, volatility, and time. Bond gives us steady income, and it also gives us a place to park money safely while still earning monthly dividends. And later, as dividends grow, that income can be reinvested into growth stocks. So this is part of the machine. So here's what happens next. So moving forward, every month BND pays dividends, we will reinvest those payments and keep stacking. Our deposits continue, our dividend income grows, and we repeat daily, weekly, monthly. This isn't about overnight success. This is about building wealth like a system. So, all right, everyone. That's the update for today. $200 added, $200 invested into BND. Monthly dividend income has officially started rolling in. If you're enjoying this series, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe for daily updates, comment below. Do you own BND, or what dividend ETF should we add next? Or what stocks should we add next? Because this portfolio is being built live in real time, and we're proving that compounding works one day at a time. Thanks for watching. This is Ghost Greeks, And I'll see you guys tomorrow for the next daily deposit and the next daily update. Have a great day.